Okay. Let us see about the decimals. Decimals are nothing but the fractions with the denominators of 10, 100,000, 10,000 are known as decimal fractions. Fractions with a denominator of 10, 100,000, 10,000, so on like that, if you are going on. So that is, those are known as decimal fractions. And now here, what is the need of a decimal? Actually, what is the need of a decimal if you are observing? So then we can tell about the decimal. Now see here, how to write down the decimal or what is the need of a decimal. If you are observing in Indian system of numeration, we know that the places from 1s to 10 crores or 100 crores like that. So the next greater than 1's place is 10's place. Next greater than 10's place is 100's place. Next greater than 100's place is 1000's place. And next greater than 1000's place is 10,000's place. Like that, the places will extend endlessly. There is no limit for the places whenever we are going from right to left. Each and every place will be increases and goes on. Now if you are observing here in this chart, till we have up to 1 lakh, the places has been given. How you will get next greater places? To get the next greater places, we are multiplying each place with 10. For example, to get next greater than 10's place, we should multiply the place with 10. That means 10's place should be multiplied with 10. 10 into 10 is equal to 100's place. The next greater than 100's place is, to get next greater than 100's place, that 100's place should multiply with 10. That is equal to you are getting 1000's place. The next greater than 1000's place is, by multiplying 1000's place with 10, you will get, that is 10,000's place. Next greater than 10,000's place is, by multiplying 10,000's place with 10, you will get next greater than 10,000's place, that is equal to 1 lakh. And next greater than 1 lakh is 1 lakh into 10 gives 10 lakhs. Like this, you will get next greater places, so on. So if you are coming in the reverse order, that means 10 lakhs. Next lower than 10 lakhs. What is next lower than 10 lakhs? Next lower than 10 lakhs place is, to get next lower places, what we are doing? To get next lower places, we should divide that place with 10. We should divide that place with 10. That means 1 lakh divided by 10 gives 10,000. 1 lakh divided by 10 gives 10,000. Next lower than 10,000's place. Next lower than 10,000's place is 1000's place. Next lower than 1000's place is 1000 divided by 10, that is equal to 100. So now look at this place value chart that given here. So next lower than 1000's place, to get next lower places should divide with 10. To get next greater places should multiply with 10. So next like this. So 1000 divided by 10 is equal to 1000 divided by 10, if you are multiplying 100 you got. So 100 is the next lower than 1000's place. In the same way, next lower than 1000's place is 100's place. Next lower than 100's place. To get next lower than 100's place, 100 divided by 10. 100 divided by 10, that is equal to, 100 by 10 is equal to, you have got 10. So we have got 10. So that is 10's place here. What is next lower than 10's place? What to do? To get next lower than 10's place, that place should divide with 10. To get next greater places, we should multiply with 10. To get next lower places, we should divide with 10. So next lower than 10's place is, how you got 10 divided by 10, that is equal to 1's place, here you got. So what is next lower than 1's place? What is next lower than 1's place? That means next lower than 1's place is this place. That is, how you are getting that place should divide with 10. That means divide 1 with 10, that is equal to 1 by 10. So this is 10th place. Okay, so the decimal places starts with this. This is 10th place. We can call this as 10th, but this is tens. The difference between that and this is TENS, tens. This is tens, but that is TENTH. This is 10th and this is tens. This is 10th place. TENTH, 10, and this TENS, tens. Okay, followed everybody. So now like this, the place values are decreasing. So when there is a need of less than one's place, ఇంకా వన్స్ ప్లేస్ కన్నా తక్కువ ప్లేస్ ఏముంది అని తెలుసుకున్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే మనకి ఆ 10th ప్లేస్ అనేది తెలిసింది. దట్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ డెసిమల్ ప్లేస్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద 10th ప్లేస్ and that is the first decimal place. We can call this as a first decimal place. Next lower than 10th place ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి. 10th place తో అయిపోయినాయి అంటే నో. సో దేర్ ఆర్ అగైన్ నెక్స్ట్ లోవర్ ప్లేసెస్. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ నెక్స్ట్ లోవర్ దాన్ 10th place? So again that place should be divided with 10. That is 1 by 10 divided by 10. So this is equal to, how can you divide a fraction with whole number? Divide the fraction with whole number. Multiply with its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. That is equal to 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. 1 into 1. 1 by 10 into 10. 100. 1 by 100 we are getting. That is the next lower than 10th place. This place is known as 100th place. What is that? This is 100th place. Next lower than 100th place. To get next lower than 100th place, divide 100th place with 10. 1 by 100 divided by 10. That is nothing but 1 by 100 into reciprocal of 10. 1 by 10. So 1 by 100 into 1 by 10. 1 into 1. 1 by 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. So that is 1 by 1000. The next lower than 100th place is 1000th place. Like that, the next lower than 1000th place is 10,000th place. Next lower than 10,000th place is 1 lakh place. Next lower than 1 lakh place is 10 lakh place. So like this, the decimal requires. What is the need of a decimal? When we think of the places which are next lower than one's place, ఇంకా వన్స్ ప్లేస్ కన్నా ఇంకా తక్కువ ఏం లేవా అని థింక్ చేసినప్పుడు మాత్రమే మనకి డెసిమల్ ప్లేస్ అనేది వచ్చింది. దట్ ఈస్ 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is known as 10th place. This is the first decimal place. So the first decimal place is known as 10th place. Second decimal place is 100th place. Third decimal place is 1000th place. And fourth decimal place is 10,000th place. That means, so for every decimal place there will be 1 0. First decimal place lo 1 after 1 0 ఉంటుంది. Second decimal place lo 2 zeros. Third decimal place lo 3 zeros. Fourth decimal place lo 4 zeros. That means 4 digits in the decimal part. If a decimal contains 4 digits in decimal part, that is fourth decimal place. If a decimal place contains 3 digits in decimal place, that is third decimal place. If it contains 2 digits, that is the second decimal. If it contains 1 digit, it is the first decimal place. The first decimal place is not 1th, that is 10th. But in whole number part, whenever you are observing a whole number part, the whole number part starts with 1's place. There is no 1th place. 1th place అనేది లేదు, 10th place ఉంది. So 10th place is the first decimal place, but 1's place is the first whole number part. Next greater than 1's, 10's, next greater than 10's, 100's, 1000's, 10,000, like that it will goes. So this is the place value chart of a decimal. Now how can you write or read the decimal? How can you read a decimal? Whenever you are reading about the decimal, so here we have, for every decimal we have 2 parts. The part which is before the decimal place, before decimal place before ఉన్నదాన్ని మొత్తాన్ని కూడా మనం whole number part అన్నాం. WHOLE, whole number part. And this is the part which is after decimal. That means decimal ki right side lo, the part which is after the decimal point, that is right side of the decimal part, is known as decimal part. This is the decimal part. The part which is to the right side of a decimal is decimal part. The part which is to the left side of a decimal part is known as decimal part. Sorry, whole number part. So decimal ki left side lo whole number part or decimal ki right side lo decimal part. Right side decimal part, left side whole number part. So in this way, whole number part and decimal part can be divided. And in the whole number part, the first whole number part is ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. But the first decimal place is 10th place. This is the 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, 10,000, 1 lakh, like that these places will go on. So this is the place value chart of a decimal. Now by taking a decimal you can see here. So 34.259 like this if it is there means how to read this decimal. This is a decimal. This has two parts. One is from the decimal part to left side, left, and from the decimal part to right side. There are two parts are there. The left part is known as, before the decimal point we have whole number part, and after the decimal point we have decimal part. And that means our right side is the decimal part, left side is the whole number part. Like that easily we can know. How to read a decimal? Okay, decimal ela chadavali. So the whole number part as usual you can read 34. Otherwise 253. Like this it is there means. Then how can you read this? So read this by dividing them into periods. Units period, thousands period. That means 25,334. As usual we can read 25,334. But in the decimal part the digit should be read as separately. We should not read them as 259 because 2 is in 10th place. That means 2 by 10, 5 by 100, 9 by 1000. Okay, so that cannot be written as, read as 259. That can be read as 259. The digits in the decimal part should be read as separately. So 259 it can be. So this is reading of a decimal. Now how to know the place values of a decimal? Then place value after we can find out the expanded form of decimals also. Now see what we can learn in this class. So in a decimal part we can see decimal part, whole number part, made of a decimal, place value of decimals, tarvata expanded form, short form, number name. So conversion of decimal into fraction and conversion of fraction into decimal, then like decimals, unlike decimals, like decimals and unlike decimals, equivalent decimals, then afterwards comparison of decimals. Comparison after ascending order and descending order of decimals. So this we can learn in this decimal classes. Okay. Now observe carefully about the place value. What is a place value? What we have learned in our number system, Indian number system, the same will apply here. Place value is nothing but face value into its place. Face value into its place. So to get the place value of any number, the digit we should multiply with its place. And what is an expanded form? Expanded form means sum of the place values of each digit of a given number is its expanded form. Now observe this one carefully. Now what is the expanded form and what is the place value of each digit? First we are writing the place values of each digit and that we are adding. If you are adding, then you will get the expanded form also. So what is the place value of 2? 2. Place value of 2 is equal to 2 into its place. 2 is in which place? Units period, thousands period. In thousands period, it is in 10,000 place. So write down 10,000. 2 into 10,000 plus. So this is the place value of 2. So what is the place value of 2? 2 into 10,000, 20,000. Okay, 20,000. Now place value of 5. Place value of 5. The digit itself is nothing but a face value. Face value into its place. Face value of 5 is 5. Into its place is 1,000. So 5 into 1,000 gives 5,000. Plus place value of 3. 3 into 100. 3 into its place. 3 is in which place? 3 is in which place? 100's place. So what is 3? Face value of 3 is 3. The face value should be multiplied with its place to get place value. So 3 into 100 is equal to 300. Then in the same way, 2 into 10. 2 tens are, 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus 2. Place 2 is in which place? The first decimal place. What is the first decimal place is known as 10th place. So 2 into 10th place is 1 by 10 plus 5 into 100th place. 5 is in 100th place. So 1 by 100 plus next 9 into 1 by 1000. Okay, understand everybody? So in this way, you can find out the expanded form. Expanded form is nothing but the sum of the place values of each digit of a given number. So now, if you are adding all this, the place value of 2 is equal to 20,000. Place value of 5 is equal to 5,000. Place value of 3 is equal to 300. Place value of 3 is equal to 30. Place value of 4 is equal to 4 plus 2 into 1 by 10. How can you multiply a whole number with fraction? Multiply the numerator with the whole number. Whole number with numerator. 2 into 1. 2 by 10 plus 5 into 1. 5 by 100 plus 9 into 1. 9 by 1000. 9 by 1000. In this way, you will get the place values of expanded. So that is the place value and as well as expanded. If the expanded form is given, how to write down the place value of those numbers? So that is nothing but writing numerals. Number name, numeral. How you are writing number name and numeral? Like that only, same here you will get. So for example, observe carefully. 5,000 plus 7 plus 9 by 100 plus 2 by 10,000. Write down the short form of this. And in the same way, 7 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 4 plus 9 by 10 plus 3 by 10,000. So write down the short form of this one. So short form is nothing but writing the greater places to smaller places. So greater places. So 5,000 is given here. So thousands period 5. Next lower than thousands period place. Next lower than thousands place. Hundreds place. Is there any hundreds here? No hundreds. So place 0 in hundreds place. Tens. Next lower than hundreds. Tens. Is there any tens? No tens. So write down 0 in tens place. Next lower than tens. Ones. How much is there in ones place? 7. So write down 7 in ones place. So 5,007 point. 5,007 point. 10th place. What is the digit in 10th place? No digit in 10th place. So write down 0 in 10th place. Next lower than 10th place. 100th place. So we have 9 in 100th place. So write down 9 under 100th place. So in between we should place zeros. These zeros is plays a big role. That is very, very important to write down the short form. That is nothing but writing numeral for any number name. Number name ichi daniki numeral write ante ide or short form also we can call this same. So 9 by 100 and next lower than 100th place, 1000th place. So is there any 1000? This is 10,000s. So 1000 not there means so place 0, 1000th place. Next lower than 1000th place, 10,000th place, 4 zeros. So here 4 zeros. So that is 4 digit is 2. So stop here. Nothing is there to next afterwards. So stop here. So that is one. Now in the same way, write down the short form for this. So the greatest place here is equal to lakhs. So start from lakhs period. 7 is in lakhs. Next lower than lakhs, 10,000. How many 10,000s are there? 4 10,000s is 40,000. So 10,000s also we have given. And the next lower than 10,000s place, thousands place. Is there any thousands? Not there thousands. So write down thousands 0. So 7 lakh 40,000. And the next lower than 1,000. Hundreds place. How many hundreds we have? No hundreds. How many tens we have? Next lower than hundreds place, tens place. How many tens we have? No tens, because only we have 4. 4 means 4 is in ones place. So tens place 0. Ones place 4. So that is 4. Next point, decimal point. Then coming to this one. Next lower than decimal place, 10th place. Digit in 10th place. 10th place 9. So write down 9. 100th place. Next lower than 10th place is 100th place. Digit in 100th place. Nothing is there. So place 0. 100th place. 1000th place. Next lower than 100th place is 1000th place. Is there any digit in 1000th place? No. So write down 0 under 1000th place. Next lower than 1000th place is 10,000th place. Digit in 10,000th place 3. So write down 3. So writing this is the shortest form. So 7,40,000 4.9003. You can write like this. And the first one can be read as 5,007. 5,007 5,007.0902. So this is conversion of a expanded form into short form. Expanded form ni short form lo ee vidhanga raskovachu. So like this you can take different kinds of examples of your own and you can practice easily, you will get and get it clarified by your teacher. So that is decimal writing short form. The next one is conversion of decimals into fractions. How can you convert a decimal into fraction or fraction into decimal? Let us see. Now take some examples here for conversion of decimal into fraction or fraction into decimal. Decimal 32.5, 7.329, 6,007.5, 80,706.0002. So these are all the decimals. Now should convert these decimals into fractions. So whenever you are converting a decimal into fraction, remember only 2 points. The first point is remove the decimal point. So we have to write down the fraction for this. Fraction contains numerator and denominator. So what will be the numerator of the fraction and what will be the denominator of the fraction, you have to remember. So whenever you are writing this one, you have to remember only one thing. Remove the decimal point and write the number in the numerator. For converting a decimal into fraction, you have to remember only 2 points. That is, remove the decimal point and write the number in the numerator. అంటే మనం fraction లోకి మారుస్తున్నాం. Fraction లోకి numerator denominator ఉంది కాబట్టి decimal point తీసేసి ఇది ఎంత అవుతుందనా? 325. That means 325. Remove the decimal point and write the number in the numerator. Divided by 1 followed by as there are digits in the decimal part. 1 followed by zeros. ఎన్ని జీరోస్ పెట్టాలన్నా డెసిమల్ పార్ట్లో ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉంటే అన్ని జీరోస్ పెట్టాలి. మరి డెసిమల్ పార్ట్లో ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఒక జీరో, ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 జీరో పెట్టండి. దట్ మీన్స్ 325/10. 32.5 means 325/10. Only 2 points. The first one is remove the decimal point and write the number in the numerator divided by 1 after as there are digits in the decimal part. One after we should place zeros according to the number of digits in decimal part. Number of digits in decimal part. How many digits are there in decimal part? That many zeros we should place after 1. 1 after. So this is equal to, remove the decimal point. So if you are removing the decimal point, 7329. Write down here in the numerator, 7329 divided by 1 after. We have to write down zeros. How many zeros we should write? As there are digits in the decimal part. Decimal part lo any digits aithe unnayo anni zeros petali. 1, 2, 3. That is equal to. Or otherwise you remember carefully. Read the decimal places. Like this also you can do. Read the decimal places. There is 10th place. First decimal place is 10th place. 100th place. 1000th place. That means 1000th place means divided by 1000. Here also. While we are writing only 10th place. So divided by 10 only. Only 10th place. 1 after 1 0. So remove the decimal. 6007 5. Simply. So here also. Remove the decimal point and write down 80, 76 and 0002 divided by 1 after the number of digits in decimal part. Number of zeros you should play. Number of digits in decimal part. Decimal part lo any digits unte any zeros play cheyali. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is nothing but 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, 10,000th place. So 10,000 we have. 10,000 place of 10,000. So this is conversion of a decimal into fraction. Very, very, very easy. Only thing you have to remember 2 points. First remove the decimal point, write the number in the numerator, divided by 1 after. We should place zeros according to the number of digits in decimal part. ఎన్ని జీరోస్ పెట్టాలి మనం డెసిమల్ పార్ట్లో ఎన్ని జీరోస్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో అన్ని జీరోస్ పెట్టాలి. ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో అన్ని జీరోస్ పెట్టాలి. డెసిమల్ పార్ట్లో ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయో అన్ని డిజిట్స్ పెట్టాలి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ కన్వర్షన్ ఆఫ్ డెసిమల్ ఇంటూ ఫ్రాక్షన్. Now how can you convert a fraction into decimal? How can you convert a fraction into decimal? See here. 3 by 1000. 85 by 10. 7 by 10,000. 935 by 'Okay? How can you convert these fractions into decimals? Here you have to remember only one thing. That means write down the number as it is. Remove the denominator and write down the number as it is. Only 3 we have. But దీనికే డెసిమల్స్ పెట్టాలి. ఎన్ని డెసిమల్స్ పెట్టాలంటే నాన్న, సో 3 is in 1000th place. ఒక రకంగా చూడాలంటే అట్లా, ఇంకొక రకంగా ఎట్లా చేయాలంటే there should be 3 digits in decimal part. Decimal part లో 3 digits ఉండాలి. మరి numerator contains only 1. How can you place 3 in 3 digits? How can you write 3 in 3 digits? 3 means 0, 0. That means 0.003. That is 3 by 1000. That means this can be written as 0.003 and also. That means we should write 3 in 1000th place. So see here, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. Nothing is there. In 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, nothing we have. So we are writing as it is 0.003. Why? Because there is no decimals here. Okay? So write down 0.003. 0.003. Now 85 by 10. How can you write 85 by 10? 85 by 10 can be written as 85 by 10 can be read as. So one digit should be in decimal part because 10th place. Only 10th place we have. So decimal part lo oka digit undali. Decimal part lo oka digit undali. First remove the write down as it is 85 as in. So actually numerator is 85. So decimal part should contain 1 digit. 1 digit undali kabatti from right side 1 digit pettesi decimal part pettu. So that becomes 8.5. That means 5 is in 10th place. Next greater than 5. 8. That is 1's place. Next greater than 10th place is 1's place. Go 10th place to next greater 1th place. ఇట్లా చూసుకోండి జాగ్రత్తగా. సో 1000th place. సో 1000th place లో 3 ఉండాలన్నా. నెక్స్ట్ 1000th place లో 3 రాసాం. 10th place 0. సారీ 100th place 0. 10th place 0. 1's place 0. అన్ని జీరోస్ రాయాలి. 1's place వరకు రాసి వదిలేసి చాలు. సో 10th place 100th place no need. So before decimal point, if you are any numbers also, these numbers doesn't have values. So 0.003. How will you write this one? 0.003. 3 is in 1000th place. So 1000th place 3 you write down. Next greater than 1000. 100th place 0. 10th place 0. This is the decimal point. So now before that 1's place, that is also 0. So 0.003. Here also 8.5. So 5 is in 10th place. So 10th place. 5 is in 10th place, you have written next greater than 10th place, 1's place. Before that decimal point and 1's place. Here also same. 7 is in 10,000th place. 7 is in 10,000th. 10,000 means this one. Next 0, another 0, another 0, decimal point 0. That means, so 7 is in 10,000th place means that is in, so in 4th decimal place. 7 should be in 4th decimal place. So whole number part 0. 10th, 100th, 1000th, 10,000. So like this. So this is conversion of a fraction into decimal. So easily you can understand. Now in the same way here also, whenever you are writing, you write down 935. But where should be 935? 5 is in, this is 10 lakhs. 3 is in 1 lakh. 9 is in 10,000. So 1 lakh దగ్గర నుంచి రాసుకోవాలి. 10 lakhs దగ్గర నుంచి. So 10 lakhs, 1 lakhs, next greater than 1 lakhs. 10,000, next greater than 10,000. 1,000, 1,000th, next greater than 1,000th. 100th, next greater than 100th. 10th, next greater than 10th. Decimal point and 0. That means 0.000935. Because how you can write means, so there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 decimals should be in decimal part. So to convert this fraction into decimal, the decimal should contain 6 digits. But here we have only 3 digits. So write down 3 digits and another 3 digits place zeros. Point. So total 6 digits we have. Okay. So once again some more examples easily for convenience easily you can understand like this. 54.2. So, sorry, fraction का decimal का 75 by 10. 1 digit should be in decimal part. So 1 digit should, to write 1 digit in decimal part 7.5 right now. 3 by 1000. 3 digits should be in decimal part. Decimal part లో 3 digits ఉండాలి. మరి decimal part లో 3 digits ఉండాలంటే ఏం చేస్తానన్నా? Point after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. Only 1 digit is there, so before that you have to place 0. So 0.003. So 75 by 10,000. So there should be 4 digits in decimal part. But how can you write 475 in 4 digits? 7500 mundal rayalana. So that is 0.0075. 4 digits in decimal part. So 3542 by 100. So there should be 2 digits in decimal part. 2 digits undali ante, so write down as it is first number. So 3542. 2 digits kabatti 1 2. So point. So 35.42. So like this you can convert a fraction into decimal into easy. Understood? There should be, for conversion of these fractions into decimals into fractions, you have to remember carefully that one. So 3 by 1000, 3 by 1000, once again you can check. So there should be up to 1000. 3 is in 1000th place. 3 is in 1000th place means 0.003. 10th, 100th, 1000. 85 by 10 means 8.5. So 1 digit should be in decimal place. So 8.5. 7 by 10,000. That means, so 4 digits should be in 1000th place. So 4 digits should be in decimal part. How can you write 7 in 4 digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros పెట్టేసినాక before that you should place 0. So 4 digits on this. 7th part 4 digits. అట్లా ఇక్కడ 935 ఉన్నాయి అంటే సో 935 divided by 10 lakhs. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits should be there. But actually numerator has only 3 digits. How can you write these 3 digits in 6 digits? So place 3 more digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this, the fractions can be converted into decimals, and these fractions can be converted into decimals. Decimals can be converted into fractions. Okay, this is, now we can see next. Now we can see about like decimals and unlike decimals. Yes, we have saw in the fractions. Like fractions means fractions having same denominator. In the same way here also, decimals means, decimal fraction means fractions having 10, 100, 1000 as denominators are called decimal fractions. Now like decimals means, if the number of digits in decimal part are equal, then we can say they are like. For example, 3.25 and 74.01. These two are like decimals because the digits in decimal part are equal. The number of digits in decimal part here is equal to 2. Here also the number of digits in decimal part is equal to 2. So by comparing the digits in decimal part, we can tell about the like decimals. If the number of digits in decimal part are equal, then we can call them as like decimals. So these two are like decimals. So 5.5, 11.3, 9.4, 83.2. Whatever may be the value in the decimal part, don't bother about the value in the decimal part. Here it is 5, it is 3, it is 4, it is 2. Whatever it may be the value, but the number of digits we should count. If the number of digits in a decimal part are equal, then they are said to be like decimals. So all these decimals, so here 4 decimals are given, 5.5, 11.3, 9.4 and 183.2. All these are like decimals because all these decimals have one decimal part only. One decimal part. What is that one decimal part? 10th place. 10th place. Only we have 10th place. So these are said to be like decimals. So some more examples of like decimals. 7.253. So here 3 digits are there in decimal part. So 943.002. So here 3 digits in decimal part. Don't bother about the whole number part. Whole number part, it may contains any number of digits. Don't bother about the whole number part. We have to compare only decimal part. If the number of digits in decimal part are equal, then we can call them as like decimals. So as we saw in the fractions, only like fractions can be added or subtracted. In the same way, here also we can add or subtract only like fractions. That means don't bother about the whole number part. We should think about only the decimal part. If the number of digits in decimal part are equal, then we can call them as like decimals. Like decimals. Now here see 253 and 002. Here 3 digits, here 3 digits. And if you take one more, this 0.100 also, that also contains 3 digits in decimal part. So all these decimals are like decimals. So 73.2, 9.3, so all these are also like decimals because the decimal part, the digits in decimal part is equal to 1. The digits in decimal part is equal to only 1 digit in decimal. Here 1 digit, here 1 digit, here 1 digit, here 1 digit. But the whole number part is different. Here 3, here 111, here 9, here 73. But don't bother about the whole number part. You should see only the decimal part. So if the unlike fractions is given, how can you convert them into like fractions? See here. Now what are unlike fractions? Unlike decimals. So decimals with a different decimal part. The number of digits in decimal part are different. If the number of digits in decimal part are not equal, then they are called unlike decimals. What are unlike decimals? If the number of digits in decimal part are not equal, then they are said to be the unlike decimals. Now take here 5.25, 35.6, 7.942, 318.00435. Observe here these decimals. So all these decimals has different number of digits in decimal part. All these decimals have different number of digits in decimal part. The first decimal has 2 digits in decimal part. Second decimal has 1 digit in decimal part. Third decimal has 3 digits in decimal part. And fourth decimal has 5 digits in decimal part. We should think of only the decimal part digits. Number of digits in the decimal part. Don't think about the whole number part digits. Whole number part here 1 digit, here 2, here 1, here 3. Don't bother about the whole number part digit. If the number of digits in decimal part are equal, they are called like decimals. But here the number of digits in decimal part are not equal, so we should convert them into like by placing number of zeros. So which decimal has more number of digits in decimal part, you can observe. So the last decimal, if you are observing, this contains 5 digits in decimal part. So all the decimals must convert into 5 digits in decimal place by placing extra zeros. Now where to place extra zeros? After the decimal point. That means 7.942 can be written as 7.94200 also. That means, for example, 3.5 is equal to, after the decimal point, if we have any digits, that digit after, if you are placing any number of 0, for those zeros there is no value. That will be only useful for counting only. That means 3.5 can be written as 3.50, and this is also written as 3.500, and it is also written as 3.50000000, so many zeros. Any number of zeros if you are placing after decimal point, the value doesn't changes. The value of the decimal place does not change if you place any number of zeros. So only here also, for converting unlike decimals into like decimals, we are placing number of zeros to the right side of the decimal part. To the right side of decimal part, if you are placing zeros, then you will get equal number of digits in decimal part. So here we have 5 digits in decimal part, here also it is 5, but here we have only 1 digit in decimal part. So convert this 1 digit in decimal part into 5 digits in decimal part by placing 4 zeros. Here 2 digits are there, so to convert into 5 digits in decimal part, place 3 more zeros. So 2 zeros and 3 zeros together it becomes 5. So every decimal now contains 5 digits in decimal part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like it 5, 5, 5. So this is the conversion of unlike decimals into like decimals. In this way, after converting these unlike decimals into like decimals, you can add or subtract. You can add or subtract. So for subtracting or adding of unlike decimals, so we should convert them into like. ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ లో ఏ విధంగా అయితే మనం అన్లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ని లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ చేసుకొని చేస్తున్నామో, డెసిమల్స్ లో కూడా అన్లైక్ డెసిమల్స్ ని లైక్ డెసిమల్స్ లోకి మార్చుకొని మనం దాన్ని ఆన్సర్ చేయవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఈక్వివలెంట్ ఈక్వివలెంట్ డెసిమల్స్. ఈక్వివలెంట్ డెసిమల్స్ మీన్స్ ద decimals with the same values. That means the whole number part and decimal part should be equal. For example, 34.26. This can be read as 34.26 is also written as 34.260. If you are placing one zero, no value. Here only just I said equivalent fraction, equivalent decimals and that. So itla any zeros petna kuda you will get equivalent fraction. So this and this is equal. But what is the difference? Just there will be a difference in the decimal part. Decimal part lo maatrame kodiga difference undi ante. డెసిమల్ పార్ట్లోనే కొద్దిగా డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమవుతుంది, ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డిజిట్స్ ఇన్ డెసిమల్ పార్ట్ ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్. సో హియర్ ఆల్సో 34.2600 ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ రైట్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. If you are writing the same one, 34.26000, that means 3 zeros, 2 zeros, 1 zero. In the same way, 34.2640 you write. And in the same way, 34.2650 you write. So like that, if you are placing any number of zeros after the decimal part, the value does not changes. All these decimals are same. So these are called equivalent decimals. Okay. Next, we can comparing of decimals. How can you compare decimals? Okay. So for comparison of decimals also, we can have a little bit gap we can take and we can discuss.